Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. Whenever I'm writing Te Reo Singalong books, I try to add some actions if it's at all possible, and especially anything to do with the outdoors, because it's really important for us to take the Māori language outdoors and not just be only speaking Te Reo inside. So one of the ways we can do that is what I've done in these two books, other ones as well, but these are really good examples. Te Taiao, about the natural environment, and Whai Mai, about playing in the playground. So with Te Taiao, it's photographed at Matapihi Kindergarten in Raglan, and the children are all talking about what they've done, and as you can see, all the activities that they've done are in an outdoor bushy foresty area with, you know, lots of trees and a bit of a river and some wobbly ropes and lots of mud and things like that. So it's encouraging outdoor play as well as using Te Reo Māori outdoors. And then in Whai Mai, we're encouraging play on the playground as well and using Māori language in the playground. So this one is including words to do with the swing, the slide and the swings, and all the directional words as well. So ki mua, ki muri for forward and back. And you could easily like do these books outside with children if you're in a family, or with children in an early childhood centre, and yeah, just bring them to life outdoors. And I think children would really love it. You know, make a picnic and take it out to a playground and say, let's do Whai Mai outdoors. I think it would be wonderful if you could incorporate Te Reo Māori and the outdoors in a way that really enhances all that learning. So all the best with your attempts at that. Ka kite.